Astro back at it again with another video. So today I just wanted to talk to you guys about two new coins that I found that I think might be really good investments, at least for you guys to make a quick 4x gain just based off of the market cap price. Now one of them is actually an ICO. And if you guys don't know, I really don't like ICOs. I only really do pre-ICOs because it actually allows you to get in at a cheaper price. Of course, that's why hence they call it pre-ICO. But it's mostly because of the fact of when coins get onto CoinMarketCap and they finally hit exchanges, they usually dump really hard because the people who get it at pre-ICO, or for the investors who got in at pre-ICO, in a more closed in behind the doors type investment, those people are already probably 3 4xing 5xing times their money, and as soon as they hits the exchanges, most of them are just like, screw it, I'll just drop these coins off. So I just wanted to show you both of them. I'm going to show you the first one first. That's actually here on CoinMarketCap already. So this one's called Hedge, and it's at a pretty decent price now compared to where it was. Its all-time high was at about 250 something. Yeah, so 248, so almost 250, and then its lowest when it first came out. I'm not sure what the ICO price was, but it's around 70 cents when it first came out. As you see, shot up to 250, and now it's on a more than 50% pullback at the current moment. Now, based off of the market cap, I mean, at $4 million, this thing is dirt cheap, especially with the circulating supply. I mean, this thing could fly through the roof. Me personally, I think this could at least go to $5 at one point, so it might be a good gain for you guys to hop in. So pretty much what Hedge is about is it's a way for you to buy crypto baskets. It covers really the top 30 cryptos. You can just buy into them with a single click. So as it said at the top there, so pretty much you get to buy into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, NEM, all of those, and it shows you actually the prices of all of it together, of the entire basket of those top 30 cryptos, and shows you how volatile it was in trading over the past 7 days. Now the actual platform isn't out yet. They plan to actually roll it out, I believe, in the second quarter. You could check out the platform preview. This is how it's gonna look essentially. So you get to come over here and manage your portfolio. Get to show you all the previous transactions, your current amount that you hold. Then you can actually come over here and actually look at the how the investment is going, how it used to do, and then the returns over the daily, weekly, and monthly. And then you get to actually buy, sell, and trade. And pick out. I guess they're gonna have indices and single currency indices. So you get to kind of choose whether you want to do the top 30, top 10, whatever you want to do there. So pretty cool platform, pretty basic and simple, which is honestly what I think we need in crypto, because there's just too many coins out there that do too many things, and I feel like that's going to cause confusion for certain people. People want to be able to get in, know what they're doing, know what the platform's about, be able to invest or do whatever they want to, however the platform works, and just get just that, and not have to deal with anything else. That's what simplicity is key. Especially in this crypto market, because everything I feel at this moment is still super complicated. So um, this is their roadmap here. Like I said, so open beta testing in April, and then live trading in June. So around second quarter is when we're gonna actually be able to see their platform drop. So at the current price that you're getting it out right now for $1, I think that's pretty good. $1.13. It might go lower than that, but around that April June time, it's gonna really pop, I think, and probably be a good time to go ahead and sell off after that point if you don't really believe in the project. But also want to show you the other one I was talking about. This one's called Crypto 20, and right now they are in ICO phase. So this was the other one I was talking about. Now, Like I said, me personally, I don't really like ICOs. As you can see, the current price down here is $1.05. Now, for you guys who may think this is something good, go ahead and feel free to join in. This is definitely not investment advice, so please feel free to do your own research and see if this is something that you really want to invest into. This is kind of a similar thing. They're doing the top 20 similar index fund, and it's going to, allow you to interact with their smart contract, buy into the different index funds that they have on the platform, and pretty much be able to um, allow you to join in into the cryptos instead of you having to do research on each individual coin, which can be very tedious for some people. And just allow you to invest. And this is the reason why I think platforms like this are going to be needed in the future, is because some people don't really want to do hardcore research on whether a coin is really good or not. People want to just be able to throw their money in and hope for the best, and hope that it goes up. Allows them to diversify a lot more and add it in easier as well. Instead of having to go in here, Ethereum, put $1,000 there, $10,000 there, $5,000. You could just drop it all right here, and you have all the cryptos invested at once. So pretty cool. You get, these are the fees. They're doing 24/7 trading that you can do. They are actually planning to drop their platform in January. So around January, they're dropping the platform. They'll be adding things along in the future. This is the showing the performance of the crypto 20, and this is a good representation on how you could have made a great amount of money if you were down here, investing even along here all the way up to here. You could have made some decent money until we get to the top. But this is not the top, guys. We still have a lot of people who are still waiting to join the party, and it's the reason why they haven't joined is because crypto is not simple to get into. Nothing about crypto is really simple, and that's the problem now. It's that there's no simple entry point for people to join in into crypto, and this is going to help that. Now there's also another crypto out there that I want to show you guys if you guys don't know about it yet. It's called Bitcoins. Now this one I think will be the main one because of all the different features that it's going to offer. But I still think there's going to be room for more because I just don't think there's there's one crypto that's going to be able to dominate an entire market, no matter how big it is. People are always going to be, people are going to want to sit on one or the other side. People like to support the smaller guy just as much as people like to support the big guy. So kind of like a Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash thing that's going on right now. If you guys don't know about that. So, anyways, to come down to here, Bitcoins. Show you guys that one really quick. Here we go. So, Bitcoins, another one that is actually a really good investment. They're planning on doing the same thing. They're going to have an app on the phone where you can do it. So one-click diversification, universal wallets, secure key management. You have it all right here in front of you. On their application. You get prediction market. You get it all. So it's a really really good coin to take a look at. Tax-friendly reports, be able to help you out with your taxes, which is huge. I think if you guys don't know, back in 2015, only like 700, 800 people reported taxes, and there was thousands of people in the crypto. So that just goes to show you that they are slowly, and the IRS is definitely catching on to this, guys, and you don't want to be a part of those group of people who try to skip out on the IRS when they show up at your door, getting ready to take you to jail because you wanted to do tax fraud. So, guys, feel free to check out these three coins I showed you: Crypto 20, Bitcoins, and Hedge. Hedge, like I said, I really think that's going to be a big one, but feel free to let me know what you guys think. leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out the Discord group. I'm starting a Discord group, like I was saying, guys. If you guys want to look at any of my other videos, it's just a group for a lot of positivity, help each other make money, build on strategies, especially for like USI tech. I'm trying to help out people get started with that because it's honestly a great way for the people who don't want to really invest in crypto, but want a safe way of constantly getting a good return. I mean, 140%, guys, in 140 days or so is really great. Like, you're not gonna get that with your bank account. You're getting your money back plus 40% on top of your money. That's if you put $10,000 in, that's $14,000, and you use a compounding effect. You let it keep growing and growing. Next year, you'll have $25,000. After that, it just keeps growing, and it depends. On as the price of Bitcoin goes up, you're gonna get even more money. So don't miss out on that, guys. Feel free to join in. I'll drop the links down below. Have a good one.